All right, so first we have the valve problem. Somebody's vandalized my car. Then I realized, you know what? I haven't moved the Ford in about a week and a half. It's been sitting here at the public arena and library. There's no signs anywhere that say I can't park overnight, so I've been leaving it here and no one's touched it. It was covered in snow, and I mean covered in snow. So I came after seeing that the Volkswagen was vandalized, said maybe I should go move the Ford. Came to the Ford, cleaned the whole Ford off, started the car to let it heat up, came back and realized that the car was off and has no power. So Aaron came to save me. Aaron is here. Aaron is there. Aaron gave me power, which he's about to do right now. The hood is popped, sir. Gave me power. Cool. Got power, got the car in neutral, backed the car up, jump started the car, and the car started and shut off right away. And I realized it's actually out of gas. So now in one day, we've had a car vandalized, we have a car out of gas, we have to get gas, boom, gas, and now power with a charger. All right, I think it's charged. We're gonna see.
Click it to 75 amp and then start.
Okay. So click it to 75 amp and then start it. And let's see. Oh, great. The door is locked. Okay, door is unlocked. Okay, got the key. Ooh, we're up and running. All right, let's get the hood closed. Let's get this thing moved. And let's get back up and running and stop today. Today has only been bad, so now it can only be good. And we're out. All right, so in true Scott's Lot style, I parked the car. And shut it off by accident. And now we're gonna have to do this for a third time. Aaron's just pulling up right there. And we're gonna do this for a third time. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of the stuff that happens is just like annoying or stupid or like, why me? But a lot of the stuff that happens is also my fault. Let's try this a third time.
A few moments later.
So I popped the hood. This guy's saying he might have a booster pack, so we're good. Let's hope it's charged. Yes. Yes. We need to also buy one of these.
I bought it at Canadian Tire. It was on sale. It's like, yeah, it could be handy.
Let's hope. Let's pray. Key goes in. Good?
Not yet. All right, so give it a go, man.
I can't just start my job up immediately. I need time to decompress, or I will die.
Damn it. No well. All right, so that booster pack did not work, but was worth a shot. Now, we're gonna try jumper cabling.
Which we know will work.
Which we know works, and then Scott's just not gonna turn the car off this time.
A liar. You disgust me. You sit on a throne of lies.
The Aeron is plugged in. I'll plug us in.
That'll work.
This will work. Key. And that's it. We're up. We're running. Okay. Thank you.
Don't turn it off.
Don't turn it off. That guy tried to help us, but in the end, Aaron saved us as usual.
A few moments later.
So, the car started, but ran terribly. All the lights on the dash came on. I'm thinking the alternator is dead. Aaron has plugged in the voltmeter and it's got 5 volts, so meaning that the alternator is probably not running because it should have. So now we've got it plugged in and we're gonna wait for it to charge some more, and we're gonna hope and pray that somehow leaving the car sit for a week, the alternator didn't just die. I'm hoping just the battery died, and I should just drive the car more often.
You gonna keep doing this, Aitler?
Yeah, we're gonna keep doing it.
Yeah, we gonna keep doing this.
Yeah,
I love you, boy.
I love it too.
I love you, boy.
I love you to death. Yeah.
Look at this guy over here. What are you OBDing, man? Are you monitoring the voltage in your truck?
Yeah. Pretty sure this got to give me voltage. It's not actually. I have another multimeter. My what the hell's the name of it? Such a great Chinese name.
I don't know if you're allowed to say that, Ben.
Oh, it's classic Chinesian.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Are you double fisting it, man?
Yeah, kind of.
You know what you did? I know what you did!
PSI, RPMs. I don't see anything in V yet. V, volts.
Let's just hope it charges, and we'll see, and we'll try for the 4th time. Technically, 5th time, because the first time I started it, and it died.
Well,
Then the second time we boosted it and realized we were out of gas. Then the third time we boosted it and I turned it off. Then the 4th time we boosted it from the guy that was just parked beside me that had a booster pack, but that was dead. Then the 5th time, Aaron boosted it. And then I turned it on and it kind of worked, but kind of didn't. And then on the 6th time, we're charging it. So we'll see if the 6th time is a charm. Let's fucking hope.
A few moments later.
somehow it's stabilized to 12.8. It's going to drop to 12.7. What I want you to do is turn your lights on for a second.
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dude, you're 1240. Start it.
Okay. Aaron's saying to start it, so let's start it. All my electronics are up, running for now. Low pressure. That's normal because that's a sensor that I have. I just haven't done. Door ajar. Okay.
I don't have good news for you.
What?
You're not making any voltage with your engine running.
Sick. So the alternator's done.
Ooh.
I was so looking forward to that, and it did not go as I thought it would.
0 voltage. Like the alternator's completely disconnected even.